All right, so let's look at the worksheet question 1C, question 1C, all right? So now the reason why a lot of people got sucked into this trap hole, whatever you want to call it, is that first they freaked out already when they saw f of 2x minus h. And what I say? What did I say? Do not give special treatment. If you know how to do f of 2, you know how to do f of this, have a f of 2x minus h. You just replace it. Replace the x with this thing. This is the thing. And then the next thing that people tend to make mistakes at is they mismanage this whole parentheses square situation. Now, I don't care if you do it on the side. I do care if you do it wrong. This is 2x, no, sorry, not 2x. This is 4x squared minus 4xh plus h squared. There should be 3 terms, okay? It requires FOIL. It requires some formal expansion. So if you want to do it on the side, that's wonderful, no problem. Just make sure that you do it correctly. That's the answer, okay? Now, when you go home and practice, I need you to be very honest to yourself. There's nobody to lie to. If you say you are ready, then show yourself some evidence, okay? I don't want you to come ask me like, oh, why did I do so badly on the quiz? I want you to come and ask me and say, why did you do this? How do you know that you should do FOIL? I want those kind of questions instead of, oh, why did I score so poorly? Is there a extra credit or something that I can make it up? Okay, be proactive. Okay, be proactive. Okay, and let's go ahead and try number 2 very quickly before the class ends. So for number 2, it says, please go ahead, find a domain. And this one also tends to affect a lot of students negatively. So let's take a look at number 2. Okay, can you express the domain? Can you express the domain using interval notations? Okay. It's all about asking a question. What could, oh, maybe 2 questions. What could x be and what couldn't x be? Well, first, could x be any number? Okay, it cannot be any number because, hey, it's a square root. You don't want the square root, you don't want the number underneath the square root to be negative, right? Is this correct? From 5 to infinity, is it correct? Why not? Huh? You could have 4, right? That's a good point. Or if you pick a number from that interval, it's going to make the square root negative. So it's actually from, well, 5 is okay. It's from negative infinity to 5. Any number less than 5, that's good. That's fine.